What is in our control for prevention of death or a risk for cardiovascular disease? Can anyone guess? I think it's smoking. Smoking actually kills the heart. What exactly happens with smoking? Smoking contains nicotine, which affects the integrity of the blood vessels of the heart. As the blood vessels get affected, very high chance that cholesterol deposits into the heart vessels, causing atherosclerosis, causing heart attacks. You know, when you quit smoking, the risk of non-smoker for cardiovascular events, both of them will be equal of a smoker after 13 to 15 years. So all the younger generations, think twice when you smoke. You can prevent death as well as cardiovascular events by quitting smoking. Alcohol. Again, excessive alcohol is bad for our health. Considering the heart, it can cause increase in the thickness of the heart as well as the dilatation of the chambers of the heart, cardiomyopathy which we cause. So avoid alcohol. Excessive eating. Again, excessive eating of saturated fats also dangerous for our life. Increase risk of cardiovascular events seen with saturated fatty foods. So whenever you are eating, think twice whether we are doing proper justice to our body, justice to our heart. So always eat healthy, avoid big servings, eat healthy, stay safe. Most important thing is don't assume anything that you are not at risk. If you are having any symptoms like chest heaviness, left arm pain, a jaw pain, chest pain radiating to the left arm, always consult your doctor. Don't think it's just an acidity or indigestion, because some events can be prevented. Time is money in case of heart disease. There are some equivalent to the chest pain which can mimic as a heart attack. When there is breathlessness, when there is breathlessness on exertion, when there is breathlessness on exertion associated with sweating, when you feel giddy with a chest pain, these are all mimicking angina. The term angina is for chest pain coming from the heart, when heart receives less blood supply. Everything can be curable if done at a proper time. A heart attack can be prevented. Proper education to be given to the people is must. Every person who are at risk should identify themselves and should do regular checkup with a cardiologist is a must. As I told, a smoker, a family history of heart disease, obese should always be tested with the blood reports as well as electrocardiogram or a treadmill test is necessary for them, and a consult with a cardiologist.